Introducing the 2019 Toyota Camry. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 25,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, lane departure warning, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Toyota's comprehensive certification process. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.